Tell me if you're hurt and I'll be there. Carry you away to the promised land.
I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I want.
So hey guys, what's up? My mouth full of candy. That's how we can't talk. I just went and do my hair. Got my hair done. I just went and got my hair done. I need some knotless braids. But it's raining and my car just came from the car wash. Who washed in kind of rain? Or Dane washed his car as well. A rain a fall. Also, I'm supposed to meet up with Trina for 4 o'clock. But the year just done. I go and go dash in the shower. I really wanted to get really wanted to do my face, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna have you with my friend because Cardi got at the car wash and Odin, I had to drop off back Odin because his car was left at the car wash. I had to just go back again and pick up. So I'm gonna pick up him car, so here I had to stop. That's why I'm kind of late. But then parking the car, I'm parking the car. And we can't go in. Why park like this? I should park the car up more. Hold on. Trina, you're not in the vlog. I kind of had to start a video before. Alright guys, so we are now in OCHO RIOS and we're at this new place called Moodz, what again?
Culture House.
Moodz Culture House. And so far I have nice little photo thing. So it's a day out with Trina today. Yeah. Alright, so we're hoping to get some nice photos from this little place.
Definitely.
And currently now we are in Dubai, baby. Alright. So there's like this ribbon door that you go through, and yeah. Graceful. Right to next. Where do we go next?
So our next room on the tour is our Matrix room, which is inspired by the movie Matrix and also the movie Maze Runner. So it's basically you went to Dubai, they have a virtual reality.
Okay.
You have the vibe, you have the LED this, all of this vinyl. It was picked, it was chosen carefully to give you that effect. So you will see some of these lines kind of like to shoot through. These are the lights kind of movie today.
Oh, they're not lighting up today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tell me if you're hurt and I'll be there. Carry you away to the promised land. Feel your heartbeat and don't be scared. 'Cause I'll be there. 'Cause I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide. We can make it on our own. All along for the ride. To the stars, just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo.
You guys drink alcohol, right? Sure.
Yeah. Next experience, we're gonna get our drink. Yeah. Let's turn this. Do we come over there for a drink?
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror.
Old time
Telephone.
Have our makeup, brushes, makeup itself.
Okay.
All our decorations.
Trina.
Our your room is system.
Wala na, may kaya call pa di po eh. Wala na? Yeah, kami? Oh, andyan na po wala. Bakit? Oh, andyan po na ba din? Di wala kaya. Di sa mas upgrade one. Kaya? Hello. Madaya.
Marco?
Hi.
You're full happy.
Hi.
Lang time na talk about Australia.
May I tell you, Miss Kama come along? Mini bayan kang barlo ko.
Okay, Wi-Fi.
Pwede po na the time eh. Why pwede ba na po na the time na people? What's up?
Pandemic.
Illusion room. I mean, if you can you go in our room? Not true. You can't to sure that we're like far. So it's like I'm not in a home. This is a nice place to come. The experience is nice. It's not too bad, you know. It's not too bad. It's nice. Oh, you're loving it, you know.
Loving it.
And I thought about just hitting the road, but then I didn't have any cash. But then I remembered Moodz and Kulcha. They take link payments, cuts. So, you know, I was home and I was having a drink. And then I said, probably I want to go out on the road and have another drink. And then I remember when you come to Moodz and Kulcha, they serve you 3 drinks, but you have to choose only 2, right? Yes. So I had my blue drink, and I'm having a mimosa.
I got cuts.
No, sir. This I give TVJ.
I was sitting at home bored.
Mm-hmm.
I decided I want to have a drink.
Mm-hmm.
Da, 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 da.
True.
They offer 3, and out of those 3, you choose 2.
Your cup
Mimosa.
Mimosa.
Blue matrix drink.
Okay. board. And this is a home girl. Alright, take 3. Okay, you want an umbrella? Really? Alright. So I was sitting at home bored and I remembered that I could go to Moodz and Kulcha to go and get a drink, right? Or 2 drinks. They give an option of 3 and you can choose only 2. So I had a blue matrix drink while I was there, and now I'm having my mimosa. So I was saying that, you know what? I don't have any cash. However, I remember that they take link payment. So if you sign up with Link, you just come and scan the card, scan the code, and you just pay using your phone without taking any cash with you, and you are in Moodz and Kulcha having a good time. Hi guys, so we left Moodz and Kulcha. I'm kind of hungry, honestly. We intentionally planned to go to the movies, but we are not, because I went Fast and the Furious last night and Trina started afternoon, so it doesn't make any sense. We're now gonna get some ice cream. We're at a Devon House spot. We're gonna probably take some pistachio or some rum. No more rum, not true? No, not more rum. What's the limit on using a card in here? $6.50, and that's what the price for ice cream, right? Okay. What are the flavors? Is that's what, cherry or strawberry? Strawberry, cherry. Can we? All the flavors here. Okay. We're in the Devon House spot to get ice cream.
You can't mix single scoop, no, because single one.
One scoop? One scoop to the $6.50, right?
One big scoop is $6.50.
Alright, so we are currently here at Ocean 11 trying to get something to eat. We're waiting on it. Honestly, the alcohol that they gave us in Moodz and Kulcha, it is really strong. Like, honestly, we're kind of frazzled, to be honest. We kind of recover from it a little bit. But when I'm there, we're upon the food. I think I should have purchased a soup though. I want happy birthday. Oh, they're having a birthday party. It's not a normal birthday party. We're having a party down there. Hi guys, I got shrimp pasta with some festival. I got some jerk chicken rice and peas and veggies.
Maybe I need to turn this way because I feel like. Right, so turn that.
Hi guys, so we are going home now. We are leaving now. We just dined at Ocean 11 and
Just make sure someone can let me down.
we kind of did frazzle still. It's something when they give it in a mood, they did make me did frazzle and me did hungry, and then after Trina walk and a stagger, yeah, and then we bought ice cream. I did a vlog in the ice cream shop.
Yes.
No, I didn't. Me did?
Yeah, the thing that ice cream shop. Yeah.
Okay, so and then we go at the Ocean 11. When I go by there, I can't nothing. Anything you buy at the door, I can't eat in there. So just in case I want to go and buy a dessert before I go by there. Yeah, they don't do that. But we're heading home now. 2 different directions. I don't know. Until probably one long time again. Yeah. You guys will see Trina. And it's always a vibe when we see Trina. Right. Yeah, so we are going home now, guys. Bye.
Until then, bye-bye.
Bye.